Once again, let's talk about Terra Classic. Over $27 million has been taken out of Terra Classic within the past 24 hours. Wow, $27 million is a lot of money being taken out in just few hours. This is not even up to 24 hours because this is between 16 and 17 hours ago. That shows that so many people have actually decided to pull out of Terra Classic. Apart from that, Terra Classic price today is on red and LUNC is actually losing. That's why you can see even the trading volume have actually increased from 300 billion coins to about 430 billion coins, and mostly traders are on red. Okay, you see, you find it difficult. Very few people are actually buying, but right now we have over 80% to 90% selling out their own sell. So they are bearish. So for me, I believe that wow, 27 million is a lot of money that is being taken out. Imagine this amount of money is being pulled out within the next 3 days. Okay, that should be almost $80 million, and within the next 4 days should be almost $100 million being pulled out. Definitely, Terra Classic will definitely lost a lot. So there was a time you see LUNC hitting over 60, 100, 200, 500, $600 million being pulled out within 2-3 days. Okay, so I believe that right now Luna still need more support, and there are plans. Yes, there are plans towards helping this coin to rise. Now, yesterday we saw Bitcoin hitting over $31,000, and we saw so many coins rising. And remember, today also BTC have also dropped. BTC have lost almost $800 in price. So BTC from $31,200 have actually dropped to $30,400. So if Bitcoin drops more to below $30,000, definitely you should be expecting Luna to lose more money in terms of market cap. We'll be expecting Luna to drop more in price. We're expecting Luna to lose a lot because of Bitcoin. Okay, so except Bitcoin, maybe from today to tomorrow you see Bitcoin start increasing, then definitely Terra Classic will rise. Right now, these days, a lot of people have actually cryptocurrency. Just ask some question. Cryptocurrency is not like a few years ago when people everywhere are talking about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency popularity have somehow dropped. So some people are actually investing into stock exchange. Some people are investing into real estate. Some people are going into blogging. Some people are investing their money to different aspects of things, because some people believe that the days of cryptocurrency booming, the days of cryptocurrency hitting is almost getting over, but it's not. Only that cryptocurrency will keep rising, but the profit, the amount of ROI, the amount of return on investment they will be returning will not be like before, when cryptocurrency was making people, creating millionaires almost every day. So those days are gone. Right now, cryptocurrency are for those that have patience. So let's hope and see what goes on before the end of 2023. Once again, thank you.